Good morning, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, your source for weather information 24 hours a day for the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metro area. And this is the in-depth video forecast analysis discussion for this very chilly autumn morning, Tuesday. It's still in summer, though, September 17th, 2013. Clear skies this morning, and from New Jersey WeatherNet, we can tell some of the temperatures here are on the chilly side this morning. 35 degrees in Walpack this morning just before sunrise. These are the low temperatures this morning across the New Jersey area from New Jersey Weather and Climate in Rutgers. These are the weather observation stations here. 40 degrees at Wantage. We had temperatures around 39 degrees in Basking Ridge. Also low temperatures this morning in Warren County at 38 at Peak West. Right now the temperatures are rising a little bit, and it's still well before sunrise or just getting around sunrise at this broadcast. But Walpack, 35 degrees this morning on Tuesday, September 17th. That's chilly. Current observations right now, temperatures are still in the upper 30s to lower and mid 40s across the New Jersey, New York City metro area. And also temperatures out in Scranton, Avoca there at 36, and temperatures here in Sussex County at 39. All skies are clear, and the winds are very light out of the north. Dew points this morning very cold, upper 30s to mid 40s across the region. Actually, dew points are in the mid and upper 30s, so the air temperatures are rising slowly this morning. Watches, warnings, and advisories. We have a few of those. Last night, frost advisories were in effect for Sussex County until 9 this morning. Also parts of Warren County until 9 this morning, and parts of northeastern Pennsylvania in the Poconos mainly until 9 o'clock on Wednesday morning. Actually, these are frost advisories now for Sussex, Warren, and portions of the Poconos, and through Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. We have small craft advisories until 6 o'clock this evening up for the coastal waters too, from Long Island Sound all the way down through southern New Jersey and the Delaware Bay. High pressure over the top of us this morning with generally clear skies on the satellite view of the visible this morning. And we can see all that dry air beginning to move off the coast. There's a little bit of moisture and the water vapor developing across upstate New York, but generally dry weather, subsidence, and clear skies across the New Jersey, New York City, Philadelphia metro area this morning on the water vapor. Absolutely nothing going on the radar, and that's to be expected. Surface chart this morning from weatherroanoke.com, and digital atmosphere software shows the high pressure center right across the Great Lakes and New York State, cresting right over the top of us with very light northerly flow and sinking air. It's a large area of high pressure. Winds will become northeasterly as the high moves off the coast today, and that's why we are under this subsidence and very clear, calm air in the mid and lower levels of the atmosphere. So we have temperatures this morning in the upper 30s to lower 40s across northwestern sections. Agricultural forecast from Rutgers University. Rainfall none through Wednesday. Winds for spraying northeast at 5 to 10 today. Variable tonight. Southwest 5 to 10 on Wednesday. Humidity's bone dry today. 35 to 45%. 90 to 100% tonight. 35 to 45% again on Wednesday. Dew points mid 30s today. Upper 30s tonight. Lower 40s on Wednesday. Good today. Good Wednesday for drying. And there'll be some heavy dew tonight and some light isolated frost in most extreme locations possible. That's why we have those frost advisories for Sussex and Warren for tonight and tomorrow morning. Heavy dew Wednesday night, percentage sunshine 90% today and again on Wednesday. Surf zone forecast for the New York waters from Coney Island out to Hither Hills. There's no moderate risk of rip currents today. Surf will be a little choppy at 3 to 4 feet. Surf temperatures already in the upper 60s now. No threat of lightning, and the UVI index will be high, so you do need that sunscreen. And surf zone forecast for New Jersey and Delaware beaches. Sunny skies today. There's a moderate risk of rip currents from Ocean County all the way down through the Delaware area as well. High temperatures today will be in the mid-60s, so it's quite chilly out there. Winds out of the northeast at 15 to 20 miles an hour, so that's another chill to the air. Surf temperature, surf zone around 4 feet. Surf temperature is 71 degrees, so the water is actually going to be a little bit warmer than the air today. UVI index is high, and there's a moderate risk of rip currents. Remember, flotation devices and never swim alone. And the next high tide at Sandy Hook, Atlantic City rather, will be at 6:14 this morning, and again at 6:36 this evening. Low tide will be at this afternoon at 12:19 p.m. And for Rehoboth Beach, high tide at 6:21 this morning and 6:50 this evening, with a low tide coming in at about 12:30 this afternoon. Aviation weather this morning, basically clear skies, light north to northeast winds, VFR flying conditions today, tonight, tomorrow. Actually, most of the week will feature VFR conditions. There might be a little scattered morning fog on certain mornings right along the immediate coast, but that's a result of the northeast wind, but that burns off, and generally VFR conditions right through the entire week. Tropical storm information from the National Hurricane Center in Miami. We do have Tropical Storm Umberto now. The winds at 40 miles an hour, central pressure 1007 millibars. It's moving to the north-northeast at about 5 miles an hour, and out it goes into the Atlantic. We have another area of low pressure centered around the coast of Belize, producing some showers and thunderstorms over the Caribbean Sea. It's forecast to move to the west-northwest across Belize and the Yucatan today and emerge over the Bay of Campeche by tonight. Upper level winds to become a little bit more favorable in a day or two, and the system has about a 20% chance of becoming a tropical storm in the next 48 hours, and probably about a 40% tropical chance of becoming a tropical cyclone during the next 5 days. And we have the remnants of Ingrid this morning at about 4 a.m. Movement to the west at about 5 miles an hour, winds at about 25 miles an hour, and it's located at 23.7 north and 99.9 degrees west. Radar and cloud product reflectivity from Penn State eWall site. Generally clear skies across the region. Subsidence, high pressure ridging over the region, light north to northeast wind. Could have a little bit of early morning fog in southern sections along the immediate coast in the morning hours on Wednesday. Other than that, lots of sunshine, dry sinking air, a warm front approaching the area by Thursday, so an increase of cloud cover probably developing during Thursday afternoon or Thursday evening as a warm front, cold front couplet comes across the region. GFS forecast in motion now. High pressure ridging and cresting across the region with absolutely delightful, very late summer, early autumn weather across the region with a moderation in temperature, a light north to northeast wind. The high pressure remaining in control through Wednesday. Some frost advisories out in the northwestern sections for tonight and again on Wednesday morning. High pressure continues to contain itself across the mid-Atlantic region with absolutely stellar weather conditions into Thursday. An increase of cloud cover a little bit and probably giving way to the chance for a few showers and even a thunderstorm or so as the cold front comes across the region with a distinct area of low pressure. I have to move this forward now. A distinct area of low pressure along this cold front as we zip on through here, developing across the southern parts of the country, and also the cold front moving across from the low across the great southeastern Canada, central and southeastern Canada. The area of low pressure and the trough axis will be swinging negatively tiltedly by Sunday and will remain to our south as the cold front. This low moves up along the cold front, slows the cold frontal passage on Sunday morning, and then as the cold front comes through, showers and perhaps some late stratiform rain coming through the region during late Sunday night and Monday. And as we do so, that will be moving out over into the coastal waters, and then high pressure will be building back into the forecast region for early next week with very pleasant weather conditions once again. So if you do have any vegetation out there, especially in northwestern New Jersey, please be mindful to cover up that vegetation that's tender vegetation because of the frost advisories in effect for portions of the region, especially Sussex and Morris County again tonight and tomorrow morning. You can find all of our updates live on Facebook and Twitter, and of course on GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com throughout the day and every day. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a pleasant Tuesday, and we'll be back bright and early again with you on Wednesday.